For 200 pesos entrance fee, you can already have an access to this fresh flowing spring. Hey birdies! Today we're going to Bato Springs Resort, San Pablo, Laguna, which is 2 to 3 hours away from Quezon City. Car parking will never be a problem dahil napakalawak, di kayo maubusan kahit nakabus pa kayo. Since marami kami, we booked 2 houses which are Sapphire and Garnet. Sapphire is 10,500 pesos overnight and that's good for 24 persons already. This includes stove, water dispenser, maayos na sink, 5-layer shelf, malaking lamesa na kasyang-kasya lahat ng dala nyong pagkain at kahit kayo mismong magkakasama. Chill, play, food trip, and drink all you want kahit hanggang madaling araw pa yan. For extra fun, you can also rent this karaoke for 1,500 pesos. This has 2 bedrooms and each room can accommodate 12 persons. No need to bring towel na din dahil they will provide tig-iisa pa kayo. Meron din terrace with ihawan. You can tambay or eat here dahil may lamesa din. Ang ganda rin ng view dahil dito tanaw ang isa sa kanilang pool. Ito namang Garnet ay binook namin for our staff. This is 4,500 pesos overnight. Good for 12 persons na 3 sets ng double deck at may mesa na rin sa labas. If I'm not mistaken, they have 4 pools here. Merong tiled, merong mababaw, merong 5 feet at meron ding part na may falls. These are man-made pools but the water flowing is natural. Sa lahat ng pool, napakalamig, parang nilagyan ng yelo kaya perfect to kung summer kayo pupunta. It is surrounded by big trees and plants. You'll truly appreciate this lalo na kung ikaw ay nature lover. By the way, ang day tour nila dito ay 8 AM to 4 PM and 6 PM to 4 PM naman ang kanilang overnight. Marami silang choices kung saan nyo gusto magstay. You can avail air-conditioned room, fun room, or kahit small cottage or picnic hut lang. I recommend you to book in advance and itapat nyo sa days na hindi holiday kung ayaw nyo ng ganito karaming tao. Ayos to for family, company, barkada, or any group outing sa napakamurang halaga, pwede na makulayan ang drawing na outing nyo.